Hi, this is Hunyah Travels unboxing books 18, and today I'm going to be unboxing the books Bollywood Bride and Bollywood Affair. First, I got this books from Amazon Canada, and you could see this was a brand new book, so I got them in the Prime envelope, and so it came pretty fast. So thank you, Amazon. So the Bollywood Affair is the first book, and that you could see that is this. Let's put it in the light. So that is this book, and it is the first part of the series, and it's been trending a lot. So I thought, why don't I just read this and review it. The second book is Bollywood Bride. So this is the second part of it. So it's supposed to be good. So I thought I read and review this. So the first part is this Bollywood Affair. That is the second part. So I thought, why don't I get these two books together and I read and review them. Since I watch Bollywood movies too, I watch a lot of English movies too. So I thought, why not this? So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels Unboxing Books 18. And watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.